the same old chaat, pani puri or bhel puri, here we have a new chaat for you all, that is Tokri Chaat. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for step 1 to make the Tokri are maida dough and maida. Make a ball, then flatten it. We are just going to roll this, dust some maida. We are not going to roll it very thin and not very thick also. It should be medium thickness. So in the dough I have just added maida flour, salt, water and just make a dough out of it. This is going to be sufficient for my bowl. Now with a fork just break it. Don't forget this step. Now you take any steel bowl which is little deep from inside and we are just going to cover this. Once it's covered, take a knife and just cut the edges from top. Take small portion at a time. Remove the excess dough. Again give a nice smooth shape to it. Cover it properly. So once your oil is heated, just put it inside. And then we have to separate this tokri. You are just going to take it out for a minute and remove the tokri and then again we will fry it. So now just remove this and then again we will fry it so that the inside part is not undercooked. This is done and our tokri is ready. And the bowl will come out on its own. So if there is a bubble in it, break it with the fork and it will settle down. And this is ready. Ingredients required for the filling are green chutney, tamarind chutney, dahi, tomatoes, coriander leaves, chickpeas, save, moong, chaat masala, salt, cumin powder, chilli powder. Take the tokris which we just made. In that we will add around 2 tablespoons boiled chickpeas, 1 tablespoon boiled moong, 1 tablespoon tomatoes. Now just lightly mix. 1 tablespoon tamarind chutney. You all can check out the recipe for both the chutneys by clicking the I button on the right side of your screen. Then goes in the green chutney. Then goes in the curd. Just warm the curd and then add. Then goes in the cumin powder. Then the chaat masala, some red chilli powder, save. I'm going to put little chutney, both the chutneys, some more sage and coriander. Our Tokri Chaat is ready to be served. Our Tokri Chaat is ready. Try out this recipe for your kitty parties. And if you like it, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.